Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're going to be doing a pink kind of plum smoky eye, of course. I hope you guys aren't getting tired of these because I know I did that previous videos ago, but I felt like I could have done a better job. So yeah, I've been really loving these colors together. I went for a different lip and kind of different face products and eye products to achieve this look. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching, or if you just want to chill with me, that's cool too. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in Soft Ivory. So I'm gonna go in with this buffing flat top brush and just pat the foundation into my skin. I really like that this foundation has like a little paddle because you can apply it like way easier. Just my skin has been so bad. I don't know what it is. I'm breaking out like everywhere. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape, of course, in Fair. I'm gonna finish up the face first. I usually wait till after shadows because you never really know how messy they can be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the face first this time. Taking this flat like foundation brush, I usually use a beauty blender. I've been liking it a lot lately to use a foundation brush for it. I also did my nails. This is a new set. I was trying out some new gel colors. I think they came out pretty nice. I don't know, what do y'all think? I haven't been doing my nails for too long, probably a couple months now. And yeah, I'm not a nail tech. My own nails, you know, from the comfort of my home. Move on to brows. Gonna take this spoolie and comb them out. Skip it because we're kind of short on battery lifetime here. So yeah, I'll be right back when the brows are done. Okay, we're back and we have the brows on. So next I'm gonna go ahead and put shadows on the eyelids. I'm gonna use the Jawbreaker palette. I don't really have a look in mind that I'm going for, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. This palette has so many colors, you can do so many different looks, so I think we're gonna figure it out together. We're just gonna, you know, see what we come up with. I think I want to do like a red kind of mauve look, so I'm gonna go in with, this is Cherry Wet on this little angled shader dome brush. I'm gonna tap into that color, so I'm gonna put that into the crease. That color is so beautiful and so pigmented, like, wow. Take this Wet n Wild, this is like a dome brush. I pick up fuck F-U-C-K and that color out. You guys, I'm pretty lit right now, but I'm kind of coming down, so I'm really lazy and I'm really hungry right now. Okay, I don't know how blended that looks, but it looks okay. I'm gonna go in for raspberry. It's that color right there. It's like a red maroon color. And I'm gonna take that on the brush and work that on the outer crease. I feel like this looks similar to the plum look I did, but this one has more pinks and reds. I'm going to put the lid color on next, but really quickly I'm going to go ahead and take this Morphe Beauty Blender sponge and dip it in some powder. I'm not using my Extraordinary powder. I know I use it all the time. This is the Lottie Ready Set Go, and this is, I don't know what the shade is. Oh, it just says Warm Translucent. It's right there. I'm going to take some of that, put on the lid like so. Fixing spray. This is Peaches and Cream by I Love Revolution. Spray the sponge a bit. Highlights. This is by GH Cosmetics. This is in the shade BFF. And looks like this. It's a silver kind of chrome color. I have not done a look like with these colors together, so we're gonna try it out. This will work. I'm taking this like flat kind of, it looks like a concealer brush, but it's a flat brush. I'm gonna use it for the eyelid. Taking that color and just blending it out. Taking that same brush, going to pat this product on the lid. This is a really nice eyeshadow cream. It's in the color Grease. It's a matte kind of, I don't know what this is. It says a Hydra liner, so you use it when wet. So it makes it really slimy when you put water in it. Along the lash line. I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is a Lily eyelash curler. Yeah, I really like this one. Put these on. Okay, I'm gonna put these on, and hopefully I'll put these on the right way this time. Oh my god, I realized in the last video I had like pieces of glitter or lint in my hair. And I know it probably looks like headlights, but I promise I don't have headlights. So sorry, the camera angle was really bad and it was just all up in the weave, so I'm sorry if that was disturbing. Now that lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the face. The e.l.f. Sheer Tint powder. This is literally one of my favorite powders. It's so cheap and I like the color and the coverage is pretty nice. This is a bronzing brush by BH Cosmetics. It's a 137. I use like the same stuff to do my makeup all the time, so sorry if it's not really interesting. I try to switch it up, but yeah. I do a light contour, a little bit on the nose. Under color, it's really nice. It's like that. It looks warm, but not too warm. An almond. Really like this one, and I love the packaging. So cute and sleek and pink, of course, so if you ever need to take it to go or put it in your makeup bag, it's always convenient. I use the Kylie Press blush powder, and this is in X-rated. But first, let's get that same highlighting powder by Lottie. Same thing, gonna put some on the lid and going to carve out that cheekbone. I think this was also called like veiling, where it just kind of cleans up the darkness if you overdo it, or you know, I always overdo bronzer. And Wild Ankle brush and pat it in to the blush, and I'm going to apply it to the cheeks. It's sheer tin. It's almost like a coral color, so it's really nice and light. on the cheeks. So if you want to give yourself like a little bit of color without overdoing it, these blushes are really good for that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the under eyes, taking the Jawbreaker palette, of course, and gonna do the same colors that I used to begin with, which is, where is it? The Fuck, Cherry Wet, and then this red one. Okay, now that we did the eyeshadows on the lower lash line, I'm gonna wipe off the powder. Even though it kind of already came off anyway. Pimple, please ignore that. My face has not been good to me. Has not been good to me lately. I'm gonna go in with the Go To Beauty in Beach Glow. I'm gonna take this light pink color and apply. Wow, such a pretty pink. The only thing left is the lips, and I really don't know what color I'm gonna do for that. I'm gonna set my face with the same setting spray. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this Lime Crime, which is the Velveteen in the color, this is the color Vibe. It's like a metallic liquid lipstick. I'm gonna take it out. I have lip oil on, so I'm just gonna remove that. The NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. I'm just gonna outline my lips very lightly so that the, oh my gosh. Okay, now that I have my lips outlined, I'm gonna go in with the Lime Crime Vibe liquid lipstick. It's a lot of pink, but we'll make it work. So this is the completed makeup look. We finished up the lip. You got these pink eyes, nice glow on the cheeks. I really need to get my eyebrows on. I have not been liking how they've been looking, so I know, bear with me because I be zoomed all up in there sometimes, so sorry. But aside from that, I think the look looks really cute.